Good morning, everyone. My name is Sheikh Fairoz Begum, working as an assistant professor in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Department at Annamacharya University. Today's topic is list structure in Python. So, first of all, let us know about what is meant by list. In Python, list is a built-in data structure that stores an ordered collection of items. Lists are defined using square brackets with items separated by commas and they are highly flexible. List allowing dynamic resizing and mixed data types. Let's know about the characteristics of list. First one, lists are ordered. Elements maintain the order in list, which they are added, and this order has not changed unless a method specifically changes it. Second point, lists are mutable. Elements in a list are modified, replaced, added, or removed after the list has been created. Third point, list allows indexing. Items are accessed using their position or index, which starts from 0, from the first element of the list. Next point, list allows the dynamic sizing. The size of the list can grow or shrink as needed. When we add a item in a list, then the list size will be grow. If we remove an item from a list, then the list size will be shrink. Next, heterogeneous. List allows a heterogeneous type of data because in list we can access we can insert any type of data in our list. Next point. Allows duplicate. List allows duplicate. Since each element has its own index, list can contain duplicate values also. Next, how to create a list. List can be created in many ways. First one, with the help of empty list. In this, it does not insert any element into our list. Next one, numbers list. In this one, we can add only numbers in our list. Next, mixed list. In this mixed list, we can add any type of data type in our list. Here, this is one of the example for mixed list. Here, first we take an apple. This is a string. Next one, number 34. This is it represents a number. Third one, the value true. True is come from a boolean values, and the last one or the fourth one is decimal number, which is 40.5. Next, next one, how to create a list is with the help of nested list. Nested list means a list within a list. This is the simple example for the list creation. First, in this first line, we create a list with the help of numbers or integers. In this second line, we create the list with the help of strings. In this third line, we create the list with the help of mixed data type. So the first list is considered as a considered within a variable A, and the second list is considered within a variable B, and the third list is considered within the variable C. So we can print this. If we print these variables, we can get the output as the lists. Here we know about how to access the list elements. Lists are represented using square braces. With the help of index, we can access the list elements. Here, list allows two types of indexing. First one, the positive indexing. The positive indexing begins from or starts from 0. It can it can start from the first element of the list. And the second one is negative indexing. Negative indexing starts from the end of the list and it represents the minus values. The minus indexing is start from -1 and -2 and so on. So this is the example for representation of the indexing. So here we take one my list as example. In this list we have some up to 10 number of elements. Here we represent the list values. Here 0 to forward list, forward indexing starts from 0 to 9, and the negative indexing start from backwards, and the index starts from -1 to and so on. This is the example for positive indexing. In this example, we take a list as fruits. In this list, we have four values. First one, four string values. First one apple, second one banana, third one cherry, and the fourth one fruit. With the help of index, we can print these values. Here we print fruits of 0. It represents the zeroth index of the list. So index start from 0. Positive index start from 0. So it takes the input as apple. If we print this value, we get the output as apple. Second, we print the fruit index 2. So in fruit index 2, we have the value cherry. So we get the output as cherry. This is the example for negative indexing. In this negative indexing, we can print the same list with the help of negative index. Here we take -1 as negative index, and the variable name is fruits. Fruits represents the lists. Sorry, fruit represents the list. So when we print fruit with -1 index, it gives the output as date. And second, if we print -2 from fruit, -2 index from fruits, it gives the output cherry. Next, how to add the elements in a list. Okay, we can mainly use three types of operators to add elements in a list. First one is append, and the second one is insert, and the third one is index. Append. Append is used when we need to insert a single item at the end of our list. Next one is insert. Insert is used to specify a particular position. When we use insert, we can insert our values at a particular position in our list. Next one, extend. Extend or iterable. Extend is used to add another list or tuple or anything in our previous list. Here we are using append method to add a value into our list. Here we take one example as fruits. In these fruits we have a list. The values in the list are apple, banana and cherry. They are strings. Here we are using append method to add one more value into the list. Here with the help of variable name we can append the another value into our list. Here we represent the fruits dot append and the value within braces. This value can add into our list at the end of the list. So when we print this fruit or our variable, then we get the output as apple, banana, cherry and date. Next, insert method. In this insert method, we can insert the items with the help of index. Here one of the example of insert method is, here we take the fruits as a list. In this list we have three values as same as before. First one apple, banana and second one is banana and the third one is cherry. Here with the help of insert method we are inserting one more value into our list. Here we are representing the index as 1. So this avocado is insert at the position of 1. So here apple is at the 0th position, and now we are adding the avocado at first position, but previously we have banana in previous position. When we add avocado in our list, the position 1, then at the position 1 avocado will be added and banana will remain at the position of 2. Okay, when we print these values we can get the output as apple, avocado at the second position, and at the third position banana, and at the fourth position we have cherry. Next one, extend method. Here with the help of extend method we can add either another list or another tuple or any type of data into our list. So here we have one list which is named as fruits. In this list we have two values. First one is apple and the second one is banana. So with the help of extend, we are adding one more list into our existing list. So in this list we are adding two values. First one is mango and the second one is grapes. When we use extend method with our variable, then this new list can add into our existing list. When we print this variable or our existing variable, then we get the output as apple, banana, mango and grapes. So this is all about the list structure. Thank you.